The firefly, also known as a lightning bug, belongs to the family Lampyridae, a group of beetles that are known for their bioluminescent abilities. Fireflies are famous for their ability to produce light, which they use for communication, especially during mating rituals. Found in warm environments worldwide, fireflies add a magical glow to summer evenings in many parts of the world. Physical characteristics: fireflies exhibit a distinct set of characteristics, though their most notable feature is their ability to produce light. Size: fireflies are generally small, measuring around 5 to 25 millimeters (0.2 to 1 inch) in length, depending on the species. Body structure: they have soft, elongated bodies with 3 body segments: head, thorax, and abdomen. The pronotum, the area behind the head, often extends over the head, creating a hooded appearance. Color: fireflies are often brown or black, with some species having red, yellow, or orange markings on their body. Wings: as beetles, fireflies possess 2 pairs of wings. The outer pair, elytra, is hardened, serving as protection for the membranous hindwings, which are used for flight. Bioluminescent abdomen: the lower part of the abdomen is where light production occurs. Fireflies can emit light thanks to a chemical reaction in specialized cells called photocytes in the lantern organ. Bioluminescence: how it works: fireflies produce light through a natural chemical process called bioluminescence. Chemical reaction: bioluminescence occurs when the chemical luciferin reacts with oxygen in the presence of the enzyme luciferase and ADP, adenosine triphosphate. This reaction produces light without generating heat, making it highly energy efficient. Color of light: the light emitted by fireflies is typically yellow, green, or pale red. The specific color depends on the species and environmental factors. Purpose of light: fireflies use their light for various reasons, but the primary function is communication. Males flash specific light patterns to attract females, who respond with their own signals. Light is also used as a defensive mechanism to ward off predators by signaling that they may taste bad or be toxic. Life cycle: fireflies undergo complete metamorphosis, progressing through 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Eggs: female fireflies lay their eggs in moist soil or vegetation. Some firefly eggs may even glow faintly due to bioluminescence. The eggs typically hatch after about 3 to 4 weeks. Larva: the larval stage is the longest, lasting 1 to 2 years, during which time the larvae are predatory. Firefly larvae, often called glowworms, are capable of producing light as well. They feed on small invertebrates like snails, worms, and slugs. Pupa: after feeding and growing, the larvae enter the pupal stage, where they undergo a transformation inside a small cocoon for a period of 1 to 3 weeks. Adult: once they emerge as adults, fireflies live for only a short time, typically a few weeks. During this time, their primary focus is on finding mates and reproducing. Adult fireflies either feed on nectar, pollen, or do not feed at all. Behavior and communication: fireflies exhibit fascinating behaviors, particularly related to their use of bioluminescence. Courtship displays: the most common use of bioluminescence in fireflies is during courtship. Male fireflies fly around, emitting distinct light patterns to attract females of the same species. Females watch from the ground or vegetation, flashing back in response to interested males. Species-specific patterns: each firefly species has its own unique flash pattern, making it easy for fireflies to recognize potential mates. For instance, some species flash slowly and regularly, while others use faster or more irregular patterns. Nocturnal activity: fireflies are primarily nocturnal, becoming most active during dusk and nighttime. This behavior helps them avoid predation and enhances the visibility of their light signals. Ecological importance: fireflies play important roles in ecosystems, both as predators and as prey. Predators: firefly larvae are carnivorous, preying on small invertebrates such as snails and slugs. They play a key role in controlling populations of these small animals, which can be agricultural pests. Prey: fireflies are also part of the food chain. While their bioluminescence can serve as a warning to predators, some animals, like certain types of frogs and birds, still consume them. Pollinators: some adult fireflies feed on nectar and pollen, contributing to the pollination of plants and flowers. Threats and conservation: unfortunately, firefly populations are declining in some regions, due to several factors. Habitat loss: fireflies depend on moist habitats such as wetlands, forests, and meadows for reproduction and survival. Urbanization, deforestation, and agricultural expansion are leading to the loss of these habitats. Light pollution. Fireflies rely heavily on darkness to find mates and communicate. Artificial lighting from streetlights, homes, and cars can interfere with their flashing patterns, making it difficult for fireflies to locate mates. Pesticides. The widespread use of pesticides in agriculture and residential areas can also harm firefly populations, as it reduces their food sources and affects the insects themselves. Fireflies are more than just a symbol of summer nights. They are fascinating insects with a complex and unique use of bioluminescence. While their glowing lights have long captivated humans, fireflies also play a vital role in ecosystems, serving as both predator and prey. As their numbers decline, it becomes increasingly important to protect their habitats and reduce factors like light pollution that threaten their survival. The magical glow of fireflies not only illuminates the night but also serves as a reminder of the delicate balance within nature. Thank you for watching, you guys.